It never ends, this business. The bag's not even empty yet, and she's decided that it's time to recycle it. She's just checking to make sure there's no... where she hasn't actually bitten yet. And yeah, so if you're ever in need of document destruction, just give Sammy a call. She'll be round. Destroy your documents, probably eat your TV remote and your phone charger. Turns out she wants a bourbon. I'm hoping she doesn't pop it like she has in the past. And there you go. This is Friday night's excitement. After a busy day and a long week, you come home to this. And I couldn't be happier. So from Sammy the Galah and me, her long-suffering owner, have a great weekend. Stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.